Hello everyone, it's Dave from JD Cycle Works. I know it's been a while. We've been really busy here at the shop, doing a lot of tuning, a lot of engine work, plus we do a lot of service work, tires, brakes, oil changes, leaks, repairs, you name it, we do it. So I unfortunately haven't had a whole lot of videos to show to you guys. But today I got something kind of cool. This is a 2020, 2024. Sorry about that. 2024 Street Glide 117, and it has a CycleRama 574 cam we're testing in it, and it worked out pretty nice. But the other bonus feature here for today's video is we tested an air filter that the customer made, and it's a heavy breather style one that he made, and he's really excited about it. And he said, you know what, let's test it versus the R&S Stage 2 air filter. I said, sure, I'll make the time because I like testing things. This bike also has a ChromeWorks 2-to-1 exhaust on it, no reduction cone. I found that these Gen 2 bikes work better without the reduction cone in these 2-to-1s, which is interesting. Gen 1 bikes, better have it. So other than that, it's a cam upgrade, CycleRama 574, 117, ChromeWorks 2-to-1, and you can see here the power it's making. With the heavy breather style air filter, it turned out to be 138.59 foot-pounds of torque, 134 horsepower. With the R&S Stage 2 air filter, of course you saw the runs with the air filter on, 141 torque and 139 horsepower. So clearly the Stage 2 air filter outperformed this heavy breather style filter system. You can see the lines even a little smoother, so it's pretty interesting to see that, what air filters do. The other testing was done yesterday. It was a little warmer, but their correction factor on my machine is usually pretty darn good. This is obviously SAE correction factor for you guys. I ramble on about that, but I just think you guys all need to understand, if it's STD, it's going to show a little higher numbers. I really don't care either way. I'm just showing you so you understand when you're comparing numbers and numbers. But not bad. Pretty smooth graph. Tuning with the Impact ECM. And here is our ChromeWorks 2-to-1. I like this system, it works good. And our R&S Stage 2 air filter. I like that air filter. And the one, look at this nice anniversary soft tail here. Beautiful bike, look at that, check it out. Little old school soft tail action for you, anniversary. Figured you might enjoy that little glimpse of this. A lot of folks are going back to these older bikes, and they're having a new bike and an old bike just because the flavor's different, the feel's different. So anyway, here's the air filter we tested. It's just a tube welded to a plate with the filter. Can see how it went. Like that. And by the way, I also tested without the filter element. So I will show you what it looked like without the filter element. And you can see, even without the air filter on that elbow, it really made absolutely no difference at all in the power. Nothing. Which I'm pretty intrigued about. I really thought it would have changed a little bit, so. But I'm gonna see if I have anything different to show you here. Let me look around and see if I have any other cams to show you to compare with this, because we love doing that. Let me see. Something that's similar. Oh, here is a 117 CycleRama 484 Ness air filter. Oval air filter, so it's the same air filter, the D&D 2-to-1. Quiet. And you can see here, wow, well, that's pretty cool. This 574 just kicked its tail all over the place. Holy shit. I'm looking at this the same time you guys are. I had not compared these yet. That's pretty wild. We got a conversation piece here. Let me poke around and see what else I may have here. That might be worth comparing. Again, that's different bike, different exhausts, but it gives you an idea. Let me see if I can find a name. It's hard because I do so many. Okay, here's a 117 with the wedge factor. That's 534 with the Chromeworks 2-to-1. And that one definitely did not shine like this. That was 130 torque, 134. Again, sometimes it's hard comparing numbers because every bike is different, as I've explained in the past. But in this case, the 534, hey, did not do very well. But I've had some other ones where it was pretty darn impressive. Let me see if I can find something here. Actually, let me scroll through. This way I can make it really confusing for you guys to watch. And me. Well, like I said, it's been fueling. Okay, 2024 Street Glide, Stealth 2-to-1, Thundermax. Oh, look at that exhaust system, what it did to this thing. Stealth 2-to-1 exhaust system, Thundermax. And that was fueling 487. Look at this torquer with that little short pipe, which didn't do very well. It dipped hard, it peaked, it just fell down, it kind of came back up a little bit. Look at the difference in power from these bikes I'm showing you. It's amazing. A lot of it's exhaust related. Well, obviously the Stealth exhaust is really exhaust related, you know, but the D&D, the Chromeworks 2-to-1, these two, well, hell, that should be kind of comparable. What else I got here? I'm gonna really make a mess here. Bassani mid-length, CycleRama 483. Well, that's actually promising there. I gotta close this. It's too much of a mess here. Let's go back up. That's a CycleRama 483 Trask air filter Bassani mid-length 2-to-1 impact DCM 2025 Road Glide. Let's go back to this guy so we can go back to my comparable because it's getting way too messy. Hope my arm doesn't get too tired. I'm getting old. And we'll go the other way and see what else we can dig up here to really confuse you guys. All right, well, the red line's CycleRama 483 with a mid-length pipe, and the blue line is this bike. And you can see here the torque's kind of similar, but the pipe died a little bit. But that's interesting how those two worked with 483 versus a 574, much different, much smaller cam, doing almost similar torque results. So if I can find a 483 with a similar pipe, I'll be out in a minute. I can show you that. One day I might sit down and make some Bassani long 2025 483. Okay, CycleRama 483, Bassani long pipe 2025 Road Glide. Look at this, the torque just hammered. Still kicked 140 torque, 117. And this 574 outpowered it, but it moved it over to the right. Same torque numbers, but the long Bassani and the 483 came on earlier. That's what I tell people, the 483 comes on earlier. But not bad. A lot of cool comparisons here. I hope I didn't jumble up to you. If not, you guys can kind of scroll back and look at it, and hope to show you everything I can here. But anyway, it's been a while. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll try to keep things coming at you as things develop in this shop. Have a great day.